welcome to Clay's World. So this morning the Fisker techs arrived. Big day. They arrived this morning around 8 a.m. to install my air vents, replacement air vents. So what's going on is the vents in my Fisker Ocean One have been malfunctioning. They've been malfunctioning now for about, I'll say about a better part of a month or so. It was actually right before I put the vehicle into Simple Details to get the wrap and ceramic coat and all that. You can check those out in my previous videos. Right before I put it in, thank everybody that's been watching my channel, viewing my channel, to go ahead and continue to do so. I'm going to go ahead and try to continue to put some good content out there. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I try to put some good content out there for you, okay? And I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much, all right, for supporting my channel, all right? Right before I put them in, around the 7th of February, the vent started malfunctioning. So what I did was I put in a call to Fisker, or a rat giver. Fisker immediately contacted me and said, hey, what's going on? Right when it happened, I recorded a video of the event. It was clicking, making a bunch of noise, and I sent that video to the Fisker tech. Fisker tech immediately said, okay. Okay, that's weird. Fisker Tech immediately said, okay, this is common. What we're gonna do is we're gonna basically ship out the parts directly to you and schedule a maintenance call with a Fisker Tech. About, I'll say less than a week later, the parts arrived to my house. I was like, okay, cool. This is pretty good. The day the parts arrived to my house, the Fisker Tech contacted me that day and said, hey, I see there's a ticket for, what's going on. I explained the same thing to him. I sent him the video. He's like, okay, yeah, this is pretty common. He's like, let me know when the parts get to your house. I was like, hey, as a matter of fact, the parts arrived today. And we actually scheduled that day for the parts to be installed. And that day is today. So they arrived this morning. There was actually 2 techs outside my house right now installing the parts. The reason why I'm not outside with my camera is because, as soon as he touched down, I gotta let you know, I'm gonna ask you not to take any videos or any photographs of the installation. We'll be taking the dashboard apart. We'll be taking, all the internals of the vehicle, the screen off and all of that stuff. So we're gonna ask you not to politely take any photographs. There's a lot of that going on right now, and it's just not a good look for Fisker. And I totally agree with that. I don't think it's a good look, and I'm gonna honor and respect that. All right, so here we go. We're going to make sure that the offending noise has been corrected, and yep, as you can see, no more creaking and the groaning and the cracking and the snapping and the crackling and the popping. The noise has been corrected. Great job, Fisker. A+. All right, thanks guys. Forward.